So hello there guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be learning about for loops. Yep, for loops. A for loop is used for iterating over a sequence that is either a list, a tuple, a dictionary, a set, or a string. Sorry. Now ignore about tuples, dictionaries, or sets. You're going to be learning about those later. Now this is less like for the keyword in other programming languages and works more like an iterator method as found in object-oriented programming languages, which are C++ or CPP, C#, or C#, JavaScript, which we are going to be learning about, and finally Java, the one with the coffee like that, the one with the coffee logo, that one, that's Java. With the for loop, we can execute statements, one for each item in a list, tuple, set, etc. I said ignore, but these. So here's a list. Fruits is equal to apple, banana, cherry. Also, this is in a bracket, and here are the double quotes, then comma, then double quotes apple, and then double quotes, comma, banana, with two starting and ending double quotes, comma, cherry with two starting and ending double quotes. Now then it is for x for in fruits, and we have to simply print x. Now let me just remove this all the languages name. We here with the eraser tool in PowerPoint. It's very useful. Now over here what it is, x is simply the value which you want x to be. In our case it is fruits, so that's that. Then print x or fruits. Note the for loop does not require an indexing variable to set beforehand, because why? Because why not? Even strings are iteratable objects. They contain a sequence of characters. Now for x in banana, which is a part of the list, then it has to print x, which prints banana. With the break statement, we can stop the loop before it has looped through all the items. The fruit is equal to apple, banana, cherry, etc. For x in fruits, print x. If x is double equal sign to banana, then break. Which means if it says apple in banana, in banana, in this format, then cherry, then cherry, that won't appear. The continue statement. With the continue statement, we can stop the current iteration of the loop and continue with the next. Now it seems like this, but except here's continue and print x. Means if x is equal to banana, then it prints banana and cherry. That's it. So thank you for watching this video. Make that red button great. Also hit that bell and also like this video. And I'm starting a PPT art, which means you can see my heart action. I don't have a head, of course. So bye.